Hi, this is Ying Wu. I'm a senior clinical program leader at Genentech, one of the best companies to work for. I have been really fortunate in my career to have worked with a lot of great women in the leadership position. Most of my managers, including the recent managers, are all women, which is not very usual for some other industries, but in biotech and pharmaceutical development, our workforce consists of like half women, and a lot of them are in leadership. So, what's it like to work for a big, biotech company? It can be intimidating because there are so many talented physicians and scientists and people who had great scientific background, who had lots of years of experience in working on our project teams. But for me, over the years, I've learned how to lead teams and people effectively by learning, how to function in the business world. So, my message to you is to have a growth mindset. Many of us are not born to be, leaders or have, abilities in some areas. But if we keep learning and if we work hard and through dedication, we can be really good at what we do. For instance, when I started out my career in nursing after college, I had individual assignments, took care of patients. I didn't have to work in a big team setting, so I functioned pretty well. But once I transitioned my career to drug development, I was working on big teams and big projects. So, my nursing training then wasn't enough for me anymore. I had to go back to graduate school, get additional business training to be effective, to function in a big team setting, and really find my voice and, my confidence, so to speak, to be able to influence other people, influence decision making, and be an effective project manager and then a program manager and leader in the industry. From a personal perspective, having a growth mindset means that you're always learning, challenging yourself, and don't get very comfortable at what you do. Once you do that, then it's time to look for new challenges and keep growing. From a professional level, a work level, having a growth mindset means that you embrace change and you embrace innovation and be a champion for that. And don't be fixed on what works at this point, and keep challenging yourself and your team to do things better, to bring technology and innovation into your current work. So I encourage you to keep learning, and through dedication and hard work, that you will reach your goals.